Welcome back to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this pan-steamed broccoli. Now stay tuned. The ingredients I'll be using is frozen broccoli, butter, minced garlic, Creole seasoning, as well as onion powder. This broccoli dish is very easy to cook. I melt the butter in a pot. I add minced garlic, allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add Creole seasoning, as well as onion powder. Then I add the frozen broccoli. I cover and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Halfway through cooking, I'll go ahead and give it a stir. Taste the broccoli to see if it needs any more seasoning. Add seasoning, cover, and allow to completely cook through. Once the broccoli is done cooking, it is not mushy and soft, it still has a little bite to it. Thank you for stopping by A Taste of K here on YouTube. Don't forget to like, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share the videos.